Hey guys, from Trader Joe's I got these peaches. There's no sugar added, it's just frozen peaches, and also frozen mango. These are no sugar added, just regular. We're going to put it in a Hamilton Beach food processor and put half a lemon inside. You can do like a small piece of lemon. Then we're going to take the maracuya, which is passion fruit. It's 100% pulp, no sugar added again. And we're going to put just the top half of that in. We're going to take a crushed pineapple with the Fiji water and also the crushed orange and mix them. We're going to put about a half a cup, almost a cup of this inside, and we're going to go ahead and blend it on the 1 setting. And we're going to blend and turn it to the 2 setting, which is the higher power, to really get all those little pieces pulverized. We're going to put a very small tiny pinch of salt. I mean a very tiny pinch of salt. And we're going to keep blending and blending and blending and blending. But then we're going to take 2, I actually used 4 stevia packets, stevia in the raw. I only showed 2, but I did use 4 to sweeten it up. And we're going to turn it off, and this is what it looks like. It's so good, guys, so good. Now I'm going to do a couple for my kids. So this one is the one without the protein in it. So we're just going to scoop it in these 4-ounce plastic containers. These are perfect for putting it in the freezer and keeping them nice and safe, and they last a very long time in these little plastic containers. And then I'm going to take this off because I'm making myself the Isopure Whey Isolate protein mix. I'm going to take a whole scoop of that, which is 25 grams of protein, and we're going to go ahead and blend that protein in. Yummy protein, and it does lighten it up a little bit and does give it more of a protein taste, but it still tastes really good. This makes, I believe, about 5 of these little containers, and 25 divided by 5, it is 5 grams of protein per sorbet containers. I eat about half at a time, and that is basically it. Very, very simple. And you just put them in these cute little 4-ounce. You can do 2 ounces if you want. I like to do 4 ounces just because I like the number 5 as the grams that, and I can finish this in about an hour or so. So I made about 5 of these cute little 4-ounce cups, and that is all. I hope you guys like my tutorial on how to make peach mango sorbet.